Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog is about my journey from Ibadan to Lagos State. Yes, for my friend's wedding. And as you can see, this train station is looking so mad, like so fine, like it's finer than most of the airports in Nigeria, like so clean, new, everything was in order, like can't really explain, but I really had a nice experience on this train. Like 100 stars, if that's supposed to be 100 stars. So this place, we are trying to board the train, so I already purchased my ticket. So rain was falling that day, heavy rain, so I even met crowd in the train station. So I got my ticket for 2-6. I took the standard class, and trust me, the standard class is freaking spacious, comfortable. Trust me, you don't even need to pay extra for business class or first class, except you really want to. On one side of the my coach, there are 3-seaters, and the other side there are 2-seaters. So I went with 2 of my friends, so we just took the 3-seater side of the train. Yes. So when we got there, as I said, rain was falling, so I could not really show you how the entrance looked like, but you can see the rain was still falling or drizzling when I tried to video through the window. The toilets are clean. They use this kind of suction type of water system. I can't really explain, but toilets are clean. There's toilets, there's TV, trust me guys, there's TV, AC tight guys, AC tight. You are going to need sweater. There's no way you'll be on this train and you don't need sweater. You need sweater or jackets. People were even using wrapper to cover their body. That will show you how cold the train was. Yes guys, cold. So it took us 2.5 hours, yes, to get to Lagos. We had 3 stops. First at Omi, second at Abeokuta, and finally at Agege before we got to train station in Lagos. And they don't allow meals on the train, so you have to either eat, or what I mean, they don't allow meals, they don't serve meals on the train, so you either have to eat before coming to the train station, or you buy your snacks. Yes. And at the when you want to buy tickets, it's just cash. They don't allow ATMs or transfer, just cash. Yes, cash alone, and you need to go with a form of ID. But as I said, I met crowd there, so I didn't really need they were trying to just sell tickets before the train, because the train takes off around 8 sharp. It does not even wait for anybody, so we had to sell so people will not be late, so people can catch their train. So it was a lovely trip guys, like so you have to get there early so that you can get a ticket, and the train does not wait for anybody. Leaves when it's supposed to. Yes. So and this is the ticket that I was given. Yes, so you have to keep it with you all the time. And yes, there's charging port, so you can also charge your phones. Yes. And there are security personnel in the train, so you have to maintain yourself. So they always check your tickets, so ensure that you're a passenger and you didn't just enter. So this is how the train station is looking like in Lagos. Yes, I used lift. Yes, in train station in Lagos. Yes, in Nigeria I use lift, my guys. So this is how it looked like. So I was in awe, seriously. The way it looks like in Lagos, that's the way it looks like in Ibadan. Even Omi, in Abeokuta, in Agege, the train stations, they are world class. I'm not even just playing, I'm not joking with you guys. World class train stations. Everything clean, everything was in order. I was wondering if I was still in Nigeria. That was how awesome this train experience is. Like, I want everybody to experience what I experienced. It's something everybody should experience in Nigeria. Like, with this, that means Nigeria, we know what we're doing and we know where we're heading to. So this is how it looks like. Environment look. People prefer this, using this, than using cars or buses. Yes, people use, trust me, a lot of people use train stations these days, and I really like that fact. Nigeria, we're moving forward. So this is the train station at Ebute. Nice, right? So hope you enjoy my vlog. Till next time, stay tuned and subscribe if you have not subscribed. I love you.